Here's a pair of the Soundcore Q20i headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Hisense Fire TV via Bluetooth. So the first thing is, let's put these headphones into pairing mode. You'll know that these are in pairing mode if you look on the ear cup here that has the volume rocker as the power button. If this is in pairing mode, the light down here will blink blue, 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 blue. Okay? So let's manually put this into pairing mode first. So the headphones are currently on. Let me just turn these off. I'm going to press and hold that power button for a few seconds till it turns off. Okay, it just turned off. Okay, now while the headphones are off, the next thing I'm going to do to get it into pairing mode is I'm going to press and hold that power button and keep holding and wait until it blinks blue, blue, blue. Then I can let go. Okay, so do it together. The headphones are currently off. Here's the power button. Press and hold. Ready to go. Now keep holding, wait. I get a white light there, but keep holding. I want a blue light. Holding, okay, there we go. Now it's blinking blue. So now we're in pairing mode. Now let's shoot over to our Hisense Fire TV. You can go directly to your settings if you have a settings button in your remote. If not, go to the home page, click on the home button on the remote, and then you just want to navigate to the gear icon, the settings icon, right there. And then once you're there, you just want to go down. And we're going to go to controllers and Bluetooth devices right there. Let's select that. Go down to other Bluetooth devices. And now you can see I have other headphones and earbuds that's paired to this TV here, but we will going to go down to add Bluetooth devices. Let's select that. Now it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me, which is about 30 feet or so Bluetooth range. It's blinking blue here, so it's still in the pairing mode, and just wait till it finds it. And it did find it. Soundcore Q20i, highlight it. Okay on the remote. Oh, and I just heard the connecting chime, and we're connected, ready to go. Pretty simple. Now, if you had issues pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these headphones. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.